Imagine a discovery so profound, so unsettling, that it genuinely terrified the very people who uncovered it. Welcome to the experiment that terrified scientists. In the annals of scientific history, there are breakthroughs that amaze, and those that challenge our understanding of reality. But few elicit sheer dread. Today, we delve into one such event. What makes a scientific discovery terrifying? Often, it's the revelation of a fundamental flaw in our safety nets, or the opening of a door that should have remained firmly shut. The experiment we're discussing centered around core principles of quantum entanglement, but its outcome suggested a chaotic instability far beyond theoretical predictions. To truly appreciate the gravity of this event, we must first understand the environment and the minds behind the work. This controversial work took place in a high-security lab in the late 1990s, led by a small, highly specialized team of theoretical physicists and engineers. Their objective was to test the practical limitations of quantum mechanics in controlling microscopic systems, hoping to validate theories about manipulating reality at the smallest scale. With the purpose set and the equipment meticulously calibrated, the team initiated the sequence that would lead to their terrifying discovery. The methodology involved an intricate entanglement setup, using high-energy particles within a contained vacuum. The system was designed for maximum isolation and precise measurement. Initially, the results were exactly as predicted: stable entanglement, confirming existing models, and suggesting incremental progress toward their goal. Then came the moment everything went wrong. The data began to diverge, signaling a phenomenon they couldn't explain or control. Approximately 48 hours into the extended run, the correlation between the entangled particles didn't just break down, it exhibited a pattern of seemingly infinite, recursive instability. The readout suggested that the microscopic system was rapidly generating energy, effectively creating information feedback loops that violated known laws of thermodynamics. As the data spiraled out of control, the scientists watched, paralyzed by a mixture of shock and sheer terror. Their immediate response was panic. They realized they were observing not a controlled breakthrough, but an uncontrolled, self-sustaining reaction that could destabilize their entire contained environment. The true terror lay in the potential. If the system could generate energy and information seemingly from nothing, what were the limits? Had they stumbled upon a catastrophic self-replicating anomaly? The team managed to shut down the experiment, but the consequences of their findings were immediate and long-lasting. Following the terrifying outcome, the immediate priority was containment and intense scrutiny. The findings were classified, and subsequent efforts to replicate the chaotic instability were met with extreme caution, often resulting in controlled failures. The experiment profoundly shifted the field of quantum physics, injecting a dose of humility and fear. It led to entirely new ethical guidelines regarding recursive, self-generating systems, confirming that some knowledge carries risks far greater than expected rewards. The experiment serves as a stark reminder of the delicate balance between scientific ambition and the preservation of order. The true terror was realizing that for a brief moment, they had unleashed a phenomenon that defied containment and possessed the potential for infinite, chaotic replication, a true threat to fundamental physics. This terrifying discovery forces us to ask, where should we draw the line? Are there certain doors in science that, once opened, can never be closed without risking catastrophe? The pursuit of knowledge must always be tempered by profound responsibility.